Welcome back. This module covers data visualization design process and its applicable principles, tools, and techniques. Data visualization design process. One of the most effective ways for transferring large amounts of data from spreadsheets to real-world interactions is to visualize it. However, getting started with data visualization can be daunting. Step 1. Design research. We must ask the correct questions to do an effective design study. The goal of the research process is to understand organizational goals and build solutions that align the brand's and audience's interests. Step 2. Design strategy. Develop a design approach to carry out your investigation. The goal is to take a holistic approach to data management that will affect how data is used to create meaningful experiences and strike the correct mix of efficiency and effectiveness. Step 3. Design exploration. The next phase is to iterate on design concepts that make our ideas tangible after designing research and strategy. The idea is to begin with the most fundamental concepts, then go to high-level concepts and collaborate on the structural aspects and specifics. Step 4. Design execution. Particularly for interactive visualizations that involve connectivity with external data systems and complicated development. Having the right team in place to apply strategies and execute the project is important. It is critical to consider design content correctness, legibility, and adaptability while creating data visualizations. Visualization design principles. In this section, you will learn useful principles for designing effective visualization of data. Design principles for effective data visualization. The important features of good data visualization are outlined here, which will assist company leaders and decision makers in reducing cost and design efforts. Determine the best visual. It is critical to comprehend the amount of information at hand. Identify the characteristics you would like to visualize, as well as the information you will require. Then, for your target audience, choose the best suited and simplest graphic format. Balance the design. Texture, color, form, and negative space are all equally dispersed visual aspects across the plot. Visual aspects such as shape, color, negative space, and texture are evenly distributed across the plot in a balanced design. You will have to figure out which of the following type of balance in design works the best for your data visualization. Focus on the key areas. By highlighting essential sections and carefully picking the size, colors, contrast, and negative space, the user's attention should be brought to the right data points. The purpose of data visualization is to ensure that significant data is not overlooked, and emphasizing it can help with this. Keep it simple to avoid information that appears unclear, which would overwhelm the objective of data visualization. Visuals should be basic and easy to understand. Keep in mind that data visualization is intended to be simple. Incorporate interactivity. Organize data visualization tools that infuse interactivity into your graphs or charts. but ensure that this does not confuse the target audience. Smart use of patterns. A pattern is created by repeating design elements. Patterns are useful for displaying similar types of data. Using comparable chart kinds, colors, or any other aspects, you can create a pattern. When it comes to data visualization, one of the simplest and most effective design ideas is to use patterns. Compare aspects. You may display a side-by-side comparison of aspects to make understanding of data easier, or align data either horizontally or vertically so that it can be compared accurately. Illustrating movement. Like emphasis, the movement draws the user's attention in a specific direction. You might illustrate movement across the page for static visualizations by utilizing complementary colors that can attract the viewer's attention and carry it throughout the page. The movement part of your data visualization tool should already be addressed if it can create animations and interactive designs. Proper rhythm. Rhythm is a subjective design idea that is intimately linked to motion. When the design elements together generate a pleasing movement to the eye, a design is considered to have a balanced rhythm. This can be accomplished by carefully organizing graphic elements to allow for smooth data transfer. Proportion. The proportion is made up of the amount of each element on the page in data visualization. In data visualization, the proportions can be used to show the weight of various data sets and the relation between their values. Variety. It's critical to keep viewers engaged and interested in your data by providing a variety of options. To minimize recurrence, it is important about creating new and exciting design components to visualize your data. This makes data visualization more appealing and encourages knowledge retention. Theme. A unified theme guarantees that every aspect of your design is uniform and adheres to a set of guidelines. With the efficient use of the design principles, this should happen naturally. You can use a company theme or based on the visualization's position to create a visual. This enhances the visual design and helps users engage with them on a deeper level. Data visualization tools. In this section, let us identify some essential tools for data visualization. Factors influencing data visualization choices. The best method to make data visualization effective is to choose the proper technique and put it up. Its full potential will not be realized if the tools are chosen incorrectly. Audience. It is imperative to adjust data depiction to the specific target audience. Content. The type of data you are dealing with will determine the strategy. Context. You can use different data visualization approaches and read data depending on the perspective. Dynamics. There are several forms of data, each with its rate of change. In data mining, you may use dynamic or static visualization approaches, depending on the rate of change. Purpose. The way data visualization is implemented is influenced by the goals. Visualizations are collected into dynamic and controlled dashboards that serve as visual data analysis approaches and tools to do a complex study. Data visualization tools. The tools and solutions in this field are rapidly evolving in tandem with the demand for data visualization and analysis. For various sorts of consumers and objectives, there are three categories of data visualization tools. Data visualization tools for everyone. In general, a data visualization tool aids in the analysis and visualization of data. Data and information can be generated and read easily and rapidly with these technologies. The following are some of the most popular and widely used visualization tools. D3003, one of the market leaders in business intelligence tools. This platform is generally used by new and professional analytics organizations to create meaning from data and apply insights for successful storytelling. Google Data Studio creates informative and visual dashboards that are easy to comprehend, share, and personalize with its free data visualization and analytics tool. MATLAB, a sophisticated data analysis tool with a user-friendly tool interface and visual display choices. Data visualization tools for coders. These products have a more complex platform, but they also provide analytics features. Plotly, it is one of the most popular platforms in this category. You may utilize computer languages like R or Python to make charts, build custom data analytics web apps, and even use and collaborate in rich open source library with this visualization tool. C-Sense, a business intelligence platform that lets you visualize data to make better and more informed decisions. Tools for complex data visualization and analytics. Businesses seek more complicated visualization and analytic solutions to deal with massive volumes of multi-source, frequently unstructured data, such as Power BI. This is a collection of business analytics tools developed by Microsoft that allows you to translate data into graphics. Others are ELK, Stack, Kibana, and Grafana. You have come to the end of Module 3, Data Visualization Design Process. Here are our takeaway points from this module. The beginning of every design process, just as it does with data visualization, is careful preparation. The first and most important step in the process is to ask the proper question because it allows for effective data communications and experiences. The best outcomes on data visualizations for individuals and enterprises will be achieved by selecting the most relevant and accessible technologies and using design principles. Looking ahead, in the next module, let us start exploring the Google Data Studio environment.